Hey, what's up guys, you're watching Savvasapple, and on this video I'm going to make my unboxing of the Cellularline USB Pocket Ultra Charger for any devices. Let's go ahead and get started. So this is going to charge your phone, your iPad, your every device you have which charges via micro USB. Of course the new MacBook with like the 12-inch MacBook with Retina display, this will be also available, like able to get charged by this. So I got it for 50 euros, and here we go. So iPhone, iPad, smartphones, tablets, and at the back couple of informations. And without any further delay, let's jump into the unboxing, which is the most important part. So let's go ahead and pull those things out, and no knife for snaps. So let's go ahead and pull this up. Nothing inside there. So we'll get our charger itself, remove this, and we get the charger, the power brick. There we go. This looks pretty beautiful, if I can get it focused. So right there we go. So we get power button, shows you here with some LEDs. Alright, so shows you your battery, how much battery you have. Right now it's full, but I'm gonna go and charge it. Here you plug it in with its USB connector right here. So there is a micro USB. You can charge the device. So here it is. There we go. So this is a micro USB. You can charge the power brick. And as well we have a USB port for plugging in your phone and charging it from right here. So thanks for watching guys, make sure you subscribe. That was my unboxing of the power brick from Cellularline. So yeah, thanks for watching, make sure you subscribe for more tech videos, and I'll catch you in the next episode.